Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the 2026 Ferrari Roma, a car that embodies elegance, performance, and timeless Italian design. Ferrari has taken its grand touring philosophy to the next level with the updated Roma, refining what was already a masterpiece into something even more exhilarating. If you're looking for a car that delivers everyday usability wrapped in luxury and high performance, the Roma continues to be one of the most compelling choices in Ferrari's lineup. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Roma remains faithful to its signature design, but with some subtle and impactful upgrades. The flowing body lines, long front hood, and low-slung proportions still echo the spirit of classic front-engine Ferraris, but the updated LED headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, giving the car an even more focused look. The front grille has been redesigned with a more open, functional layout that improves airflow while maintaining the clean, minimalist aesthetic Ferrari intended. New side skirts enhance the aerodynamics, and the sculpted rear maintains the quad taillight layout with an integrated active spoiler that adapts based on speed and driving mode. Ferrari has introduced new color options and bespoke finishes that allow for deeper customization, making the Roma a personal statement as much as a performance machine. Step inside, and the 2026 Ferrari Roma greets you with a cabin that strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and luxury. Ferrari continues to focus on the dual cockpit layout, separating the driver and passenger areas with a central bridge that houses controls and storage. The interior materials are second to none: hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, Alcantara inserts, and brushed aluminum details all come together to create a refined yet purposeful environment. The Roma's tech has also been upgraded, with a curved 16-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver and an 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen in the center stack that controls navigation, climate, and entertainment. An optional passenger side display allows co-pilots to view performance stats and media, adding to the interactive experience. Comfort-wise, the seats are beautifully sculpted and supportive, and while the Roma technically has rear seats, they're best suited for occasional use or extra storage. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Roma retains its impressive 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, but with further tuning improvements that now deliver around 1620 horsepower and 561 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, this grand tourer can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reach a top speed of over 199 miles per hour. The power delivery is smooth, yet savage when needed, and the exhaust note, it has been fine-tuned to deliver an even more intoxicating growl. Ferrari has updated the chassis dynamics as well, with recalibrated suspension settings, improved adaptive dampers, and sharper steering response, making the Roma not just beautiful to look at, but thrilling to drive, whether you're on a coastal highway or pushing it through twisty BACK roads. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma starts at approximately $245,000. But with customization and additional packages, most buyers can expect to spend upwards of $280,000 or more depending on personal preferences and optional upgrades. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Ferrari Roma. It's stylish, powerful, and unmistakably Ferrari. Let us know in the comments what you think of this stunning Grand Tourer, and if it's your dream car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.